Everyone's Coach Hula and hope you're well. So I'm going to do a really short video of a seated thoracic mobility exercise, and Coach Fu here, she's going to make sure that I keep it at least under 2 minutes, and she's a spiritual timekeeper. So let's see what I can do. So your thoracic spine is the middle part of your back, and this drill, if you do it frequently and of course without pain or discomfort, it's going to help you maintain or even improve your thoracic mobility. Again, that's our mid-back. Gives us our ability to do this movement here, like swivel, and it also transfers up to our neck health and including our lower back and lumbar health. So let's jump into it. You will sit like so in the middle of your chair, lift your chest up. I need you to do this first. This is level 1. Left hand on my hip, right hand behind my ear. I inhale, and you're going to move as one unit. Look at my chest, my head, and this elbow. Rotate, exhale, exhale. I'm going to see how far I can rotate. My head, my chest moves as one unit, then I come back. What you did not see move is my lower body, so I did not do this. Then I come back. So that's very important. We want to keep this part of your body stable and stationary. So you may do this, about 5 to 10 reps. I inhale, smell the roses, exhale, blow out the candles, and I go back as far as I can. Another variation, you can start with your elbow lined up with your shoulder. So that's directly in front, my hand, my fingertips behind my ear. Inhale, staying upright, exhale, rotate, rotate, rotate. And then I come back. Another option you can do is put a block between these, a yoga block, whichever way is most convenient and comfortable. You can also use a very light book or cat toy. So here I go again. I'm going to start with level 2, my elbow lined up with my shoulder and parallel to the floor. Smell the roses. Exhale, and I blow out the candles. Slow, slow rotation. My lower body doesn't move, then I come back. If you want to go level 3, this is level 3. I'm going to have my opposite arm extend, stays level with the floor and lined up with my shoulder. My wrist is completely flexed and the heel of my hand's reaching for that way. That's where the energy is going. This hand and this elbow is exactly the same. Smell the roses, exhale, and then I come back. So you would do that same movement while keeping this arm up, 5 to 10 reps. Let me show you a side view. I'm going to put the block down. Alright, Coach Fu is right here. So let's do level 3. Notice my arm position. Inhale, exhale, then I come back. Then I'm going to go backwards. So this is level 2. Hand on my hip, elbow lined up my shoulder, parallel to the floor. Exhale. And then level 1, you can just start with your elbow to the side. Exhale, 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 come back. We'll of course do the same amount of reps on the opposite side. Very, very, very likely you're going to notice a difference in your range of motion. Why? Because we have asymmetry. If you're right-handed, like I am, that side may have more mobility than the opposite. Don't be alarmed. Let's just make note of it, and this is why it's important to do unilateral drills and exercises. That's it. Tell me what you think. Post your comment, and remember to stay active.